with all. Now the best player is 120 rated. And guys, don't miss out on the opportunity to buy VTOTs. They're so cheap now due to the crash in the market. So now I'm gonna play one game, like one scouting game, and then my goal is to score at least 5 goals. But I have to play fast. Ooh, Ronaldo to close himself. What is happening? Close to shoot. Come on. He shouldn't have passed. Just had a shot from there. Straight to the man. What? No. Park Ji-sung with the ball. And that was another amazing goal. So we're 1 down. We're winning 1-0. Let's win this one. Oh no, why are you passing back? Or you, Pedri. Another goal from Mokowa. What a goal. We're winning 2-0, which is a great start. Now, I want to try skill move with him. Oh, ankles. So close with another goal. Let's see. Oh, Pedri. Who was that to Pedri? Win that. This game is too easy for me. So the goal, try and score 5 goals and win this. I'm kind of sad we lost the retro points. We didn't really. Come on, Rivaldo, wait to shoot. You got Alisson. Oh, we're basically worse than Liverpool, full team of Liverpool. But their whole rating is I don't know. Didn't check. I think it's, I'm not quite sure. Shoot. Oh, what a goal from close. That's too easy for him. Close is my man. And it's full time. Is that full time? No. Who's this? Militao. Alright, we're gonna go Toppins. Oh, not working. Oh, keeper Alisson. Jesus. 4-0 full time. Well, we didn't get our 5-0, but I reckon that's good. That's good enough. That's good. At least we won the game. That's the best thing. So now I got more things to unlock. So 15. If I get good quest. What's the quest? Is this the quest? Oh. We get scanning points into that's so good. You get money as well, that's the best. So good, so good. Attack, yep. All good, yep, all good, yep. And then now, I think we just have to play. It's gonna be harder. We can do it. Anyways, so yeah.